It's Friday, September 1st, 2017. It is 10:30 a.m. We're at LMT RV Repair, Coos Bay, Oregon. We came for a front alignment. To find this place, we didn't have internet. I called Mark Lesko, Bomberg Lesko Funeral Home back in Scranton. He got on the internet. I asked for Ford and Firestone about a front alignment, and he found this place that has a good recommendation. Well, they let us stay the night for free. We've got Wi-Fi, and they've hooked us up to a 20-amp breaker, but we don't care. We only had was the charging the batteries and the computers and the phones and camera. Microwave clock. We didn't use the microwave, and our refrigerator was on. So I just wanted to get a view of this. The city of Coos Bay is really north of us. That's Route 101, the shoreline. Coastal, whatever it's called, goes all the way down to California, San Francisco. We're heading to a place called Three Rivers Casino in Coos Bay. They'll let you stay for 4 days for free. We were looking at free campsites, but since this is the Memorial Day weekend, we'd have to drive down about 50 miles. We're 130 miles rounding out from where we're going to be, Jedediah Smith State Park, the Redwood Forest, and the 4th, 5th, and 6th, Patsy's birthday. All right, so we're waiting for the front alignment, but the front tire driver's side, we have pictures of it. We had to get it replaced yesterday. Tore out, big football-sized bubble right near the tread. The tread itself was pulled away. There's our front alignment guy. My name is Mark. And, I mean, just tore apart. I see a drip under there. I don't know where it's dripping from. Well, that's about it for this one.